heard you went on a fun trip to Target.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah!
Did you have like super lots of fun?
Yay!
Hey, is this all the stuff you got?
Yay!
Oh, cool. You got lots of clothes. Whoopsie. Sorry. You got lots of, oh, and you got a big egg and a microphone. Whoa, all that stuff looks like it's really lots of fun. Okay, so we got an adult to help us. Can you open up the egg on your own or do you need a little help? Whoa, look at all that. What's in there? Whoa. I think that's just packaging. Oh, what kind of toy is that? Yeah, that looks like it's pretty cool. What's on this side over here? Oh, surprises, huh? Yeah, this egg is full of tons of surprises. Uh-oh, does it look like you need an adult's help again? Oh, look, you got it all on your own. That there.
I need a double present now.
You need an adult help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see if we can find an adult to help us. We'll be right back. Went ahead and we found some adults to help us open up these little things. So hold on. Let me go ahead and grab one of these. Here you go. Here's your first one. Ooh, what's inside? There's 6 total mystery items. What is that? Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Is it like a little kitty cat type of thing? Okay, let's see what the next one is. Whoa, that one flew away. Oh, wow. That one must be one of the mystery ones, huh?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the next one.
Dun, dun, dun.
Here you go. Ooh, that looks like a sticker. All right, there's the next one. Whoa, what is that one? Another little figurine thing? Oh, that looks pretty cool. All right, we have 3 more left. Hey, is that Ryan? That kind of looks like him. Here you go. Ooh, I wonder what's in there. Oh, is that one a little tricky? Woo! Oh, that one landed right inside the egg. Whoa, that's like a blue person. That's kind of interesting. Okay, we've got 1 more left. Whoa! What is that? Slime?
I need to go back to me. And no. Wow, yeah, the basic. I am an alien. I am an alien. I am a crazy alien. A crazy alien. A crazy alien. It's the alien. Are you living there by mistake? want to say identity when I play it down?
Oh, that sounds like it'd be fun.
Hi. Hi. Accordion. Hi.
Hi.
Accordion. Oh, it does her body. In the gritty wire.
Whoa, look at all this stuff we got. So we had an adult to help us unpackage some of this stuff, but you got 4 of these figures. These over here. You got 4 stickers. Hey, oh, Squishy Ryan, can you show the camera and our friends on TV? Squishy Ryan? Uh-oh, he fell. You dropped Squishy Ryan. Oh, and then what else did you get? Did you get some slime? Hey, where's that flying thing? Yeah, let's see that. Can you show it to our friends on TV? Whoa, can you press some buttons so that they can hear the sounds it plays? Wow. I mean, wow. Wow, that's really cool. It's like a spaceship, huh? Hey, was that lots of fun that you had today? Excuse me?
Yes.
Did you have lots of fun today?
did.
Wow! That's really bright in my eyes. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to flash that in my eyes again? Ah! That's really bright! I need my sunglasses! Ah! Alright, well let's get back to